I spent $252 on this packing table, and it is the best thing I've ever bought for my business. Now, a well-designed packing station ensures that there is a place for everything and that everything stays in its place. You can simplify your packaging processes, you can increase your productivity, and you can stay organized at the same time. Now, everything I need to pack my eBay orders is within arm's reach on my shipping station. All my postage satchels are kept in these grey stackable tubs, and I've purchased these from Bunnings. The thing I like about these tubs is that they are easily accessible to reach into, and they also can stack too high underneath the packing bench if I ever need to add any extra satchel sizes. I order all my postage satchels in bulk via the post office, and underneath the bench here I keep them in sizes small, medium and extra large. And you can see that I do order them in packs of 100 and do always make sure I've got a large quantity of them on hand so that I never run out. In the bottom tub I keep some generic padded mailers that I sometimes use to send a DVD with some stamps, and I also make sure I always have some prepaid tracked envelopes. I order my packing tape in bulk from eBay and keep it down here, as well as some extra mini shrink wrap rolls that I buy from Bunnings, and I use those for when I'm wrapping together lots of books or wrapping together lots of DVDs or any other bundles that might need to go out. It secures them into their post satchels. I keep a large bin to the right of me so that it's directly there as I'm packing and can discard all my rubbish straight away. Now I'm right-handed, so on my right hand side here I keep everything handy that I need, and in this little tub I keep a pen, I keep some scissors, and I keep a variety of thank you cards that I can put in with my orders. Now up above me I have two more of these little grey containers, and inside these I keep all the inventory SKUs that I take out from the orders before packaging them off. These inventory numbers are just so that I can find the items in my tubs and the customer doesn't need to see them. So once I'm getting ready to pack the order, I store those little numbers here and I can reuse them again in the future. The other tub is for basic items like stamps, a Stanley knife, a tape measure, some extra thank you cards and any other little bits and bobs. Now directly behind my packing table is a small tiered shelf, and this is where I keep all my padded mailers. So on the right hand side I have two stacks of small mailers, and on this left side I have a stack of extra small mailers and a stack of medium sized mailers. And then up the top of my shelf, I have some large padded mailers. Now next to the padded mailers, I keep my sticky tape dispenser and my roll of mini shrink wrap. And then also next to that, I have my bubble wrap. I've got a couple of different sizes of bubble wrap, and I also keep my letter gauge. On the back of these shelves where I have my padded mailer, all I've done is cut some core flute and I've sticky taped it on from behind, and what this does is it allows me to stack my mailers up neatly, and it also means that they don't slip down behind in any way. Underneath I keep IKEA bags which I use to take all my orders to the post office in. This packing table is also the perfect height. It is ergonomically friendly and it means that I'm not bending down too low and hurting my back as I'm packing my orders. I keep a shelf next to the packing station, and on that shelf I keep additional packaging supplies. I buy all my padded mailers in bulk and they come in boxes of 100, so I've got room to store them next to me and down the side, and I also have a couple of extra shelves where I try and keep some DVDs and some games handy. Now this trestle table is where I put all my picked items. So firstly what I do is I pick my items that I've got to post, I pop them on the trestle table, and then they're right next to me in hand's reach of my shipping station. Having a packing table makes you ship so much faster and makes things so much more efficient. If you're interested in buying the same packing table that I've got, I will pop the link down below in the video.